To install and commission a PSW001 pallet wrapper, first remove the shipping crate from around the machine. This may be heavy and require 2 or more people. Remove all packaging material and strapping. Remove and dispose of the steel plate covering the control panel aperture. Retain the 2 screws for further use. Attach the control panel hinge to the mast using the screws supplied. Close the control panel and fix in place using the 2 screws formerly holding the steel plate. Press the 2 plastic caps into the access holes. Remove all bolts holding the wrapper to the pallet. Remove the wrapper from the pallet with a forklift. Don't attempt to move it manually as it's heavy and may damage the machine or cause injury. Place the wrapper in a suitable location, ensuring there's sufficient room for pallet loading and operation. Remove the mast retaining screws and raise the hinged mast to a vertical position, taking care not to trap any wires. The mast is heavy and will require 2 people to lift it. Secure the mast by inserting retaining screws into the 3 holes on the opposite side of the mast to the film carriage. Join the sensor wire plug and socket and connect the wrapper to the main supply. Holding one hand over the pallet height sensor, press the start button to raise the film carriage enough to access the 3 screw holes on this side of the mast. Press the stop button to hold the carriage in this position and insert the screws. Fit the motor cover to the wrapper with the 3 screws and replace the back panel, ensuring that the cable exits the cover via the cutout in the back panel. Press the start button and the wrapper will complete its cycle, return to the home position, then stop. Place a roll of stretch film on the carriage spindle and feed it through the guide rollers, referring to the instruction decals on the carriage to ensure that this is done correctly.